Alright, so for this video, it's going to be for several tasks. So for task 1, add these products to men's Faro tables. So itong mga product lang na to, you just have to add their information in the tables that you did before. So you go to the Pheromone WordPress site, admin site, and then go to Tools, WebSimon Tables. Okay, and then go to the Pharaoh table for men and then edit table content. Okay. Sorry. You'll have to add, cause this rows pa pala. So, we have 1, 2, 3 products to add. So, you need to add 3 rows. So, dito ka muna sa edit table structure and style. And then, dito sa number of rows, dagdagan mo ng 3. Once na nadagdagan mo na, punta ka sa save changes mo pala yon, save table thingy, save table changes, something. So, yun. Tapos go to edit table content. So, makikita mo na yung rows dito sa baba. Diba? Later, kapag nadagdagan mo ng 3, you'll see 3 spaces here. So, you just have to add the information for these 3 products. So, of course, the information is going to be these things. So, yung product, yung good for, pheromone content, customer feedback type, where to buy. So, syempre, ito-search mo muna tong mga to. The links are there naman, but the merchants that you need to mention sa where to buy is either lovescent.com or amazon.com lang muna. So, itong dalawang site na to, dahil hindi siya Lovescent at Amazon, you need to look for them sa Lovescent site at sa Amazon site. So that you'll know what website to mention in this part, as well as the price. But this one links directly to Amazon, so that's fine. Okay, so you just need to research the information, add it here, save table content, and you're done. Okay, that is for ayan. So that's for the first task. Okay, second task, I already made another video for you, so you have to watch that. And then, third task, mamaya na yan. Mamaya na natin yan i-discuss. Mamaya na rin tong fourth task. Because it's these 2 tasks na medyo, complicated. Alright, so here's a gather research for Pharaoh FAQs thingy. You need to go to your folder. And, asan ba yun? Here. In your folder, you will see this already. Ito yung March 11. So, you'll see this, frequently asked questions. Ay, bakit ko ba binuksan? Ayan. Anyway, yeah. So, you'll see it here, right? So, you have how long to Chenilin. Basta, we have questions here for pheromones. About pheromones, we have 42 questions. So, what I need you to do is to research about them or research about the answers to these questions. So, basically, you just need to, copy-paste. I did say it here na copy-paste mo lang. Saan ko ba linagay yun? Ayan, just copy-paste what you find in the web in one document per question. Okay, so since maraming questions to, you'll have a lot of documents. And just save it here na lang din in this folder. Just use the file name as the question itself. Okay, and then you here I have a researching procedures document for you to help you find out where to research, and it's found here. Ayan, sample working procedures. Open mo, nandito yung research procedure. Research procedure. Ayan. So, this might help you out. It's kind of like some instructions on how you are going to research. Okay? Tapos, I also have here some sites that you can visit for kung saan ka maghanap ng ng sagot sa mga tanong. So, you can go to the Lovescent site. So, yung lovescent.com. And then, ano to? later. Ayan. So, you can go to, nawala na tuloy yung word ko. Ayan. You can go to the LoveSend site, so lovesend.com, and then you can look for the forums, or you can just Google forums sa ng pheromone. So pheromone forums, ganyan. Google mo lang. And then go to Pherotalk website. Hindi ko nga sure yon. Basta you just Google Pherotalk na lang as is, like this. And then baka magpakita yung website. And then there's this link here and you can go there as well. And then Phero Truth Forum. Ganyan. So these are the sources for your research. Of course, you can find other sources din. Pero ito kasi yung mga forums na talagang pang pheromones. So, nga pala, the reason I want you to go to either merchant sites or forums is so that we can get information from actual people who talk about pheromones. Yung forums, di ba, it's like a common group of people na talking about a certain subject, helping each other out, asking questions, answering those questions and stuff. So you'll be able to find information regarding this, or regarding the FAQs that you have here. Okay? So, yun nga. It's just, copy-paste lang naman. So, try to at least fill out half the page of a Word document ng or basta just try to find out as much as you can na lang. Wala na lang akong ibibigay na minimum or maximum. Kasi maybe some questions have a lot of info on them. Maybe yung iba, mahirap harapin yung mga sagot. Yung mga iba, ang dami-daming sagot. Ganyan. So, ikaw na lang ang bahalang mag-assess, kung which is relevant to the question that is here. So, again, save them in one document per question. Okay? And then next, okay, so we're done with task 5. Next task is this one, edit and post runner, and then edit grid. This is what you've been doing before. So, alam mo na to, kay Cherry, March 8 and March 9, hanapin mo yung mga 300 words lang. Kasi yung March 8 niya ata ay, yung March 8 niya may mga Rite Aid siyang ginawa. May Jared pa siyang ginawa na isa. So, just hanapin mo lang yung 300 words. Tapos, wait lang. There. Tapos, teka lang, edit ko to. This is not 3 hours. This is just 2 hours. Okay. Ayan. And then, post mo sa post runner, tapos document mo sa edit grid, okay? Tapos, as you can see nga pala, I have here an estimated time for you to finish each task for today. This will all total to 10 hours. Don't worry. Or I'll actually, yeah, it will all total to 10 hours. So basically, I will not have you edit and post to Rite Aid for today. I might ask you later to give keywords to writers. Kasi it's a Sunday, so I might not be online too much then. Uuwi rin ako sa bahay ng parents mamaya. And I don't like their computer dahil basta anyway. At ang bagal ng internet nila doon. So, I might not be online all the time. Ang problema lang naman doon, baka hindi ako makapagbigay ng keywords sa writers kapag kailangan na nila ng next set nila. Syempre, hindi naman yun maganda. Kawawa naman yung writers na maghihintay. So, I might just ask you to still have your Skype open just to answer any questions from writers if there are any, and then just to give them their next set of keywords. But do not edit and post na. Ako na lang gagawa nun. Kapag okay na kapag stable na ako kung nasan man ako, basta ako na lang gagawa nun. There are only going to be 4 writers today. Si Joanne, si Jess, si Rose, and si Camille. Ay, pero si Kay rin pala kasi magme-makeup pa siya. Pero hindi mo naman maabutan si Kay. So, basta yun. I'll just tell you when you need to give, stand by to give keywords for someone. I will just text you na lang. So, keep your lines open then kasi nga, like I said, I might not have access to the internet later. Okay? So, yan. I'll make another video for task 3 and task 4. since ito yung medyo mas complicated or ito yung medyo bago talaga sa atin. So, yon. Ano pa yung sasabihin ko? Yeah. So, ano ba? Um, Unahin mo na lang to. Unahin mo tong add. So, unahin mo yung task 1 and task 2. And then, you jump to task 4 pala muna before you do, task 6, sorry, before you do task 5. So, ayun. So, 1, task 2, task 6, task 5. And then you do these two thingies last. Alrighty? Okay, thank you.